Good morning, it's Dennis.Girod with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Great opportunity today, get a first look at a 2020 Newmar Ventana 3407. Wait till you see what's new for 2020. Of course, Ventana's been a great coach. Many people really like its ride and drive. And with Newmar, Newmar has several sayings. One is, when you know the difference, that's when you pick a Newmar. The other thing is because the amount of insulation they have in the ceilings, the walls, and the floors, quieter on the road, quieter in the campground, warmer in the cold, cooler in the heat. And you'll be able to experience all these things as we take a walk through. So let's take a look at this 3407. So to go around, soft LED lighting back there so we can see so well in there. Nice long pass-through. Outside TV, entertainment center. As we're going by, we can see the exterior access door, the emergency door. A Newmar exclusive. Come around here at the back. Tall storage there. Chassis batteries along with our electrical. So this chassis is on our Freightliner, 360 horse. Beautiful paint job. As we check it and we look it over, and one of the things you want to do is kind of run your hand. You won't feel any edges at all on their paint jobs. Just a masterpiece of great paint. Driver's side rear compartment, that is the engine block heater. Power cord reel. They make it super easy to run the cord out and put it in the notch and then just close the door. Our def tank, along with the sewer hose storage. Coming down the side is going to be our service bay, hose reel, water filter, everything we need to easily take care of our coaches. Pass-through storage will be there. Our chassis electrical is up here, along with the lever to get to the access for the generator. As we go inside, we get a chance to see the new colors. So new woods, new trims this year. Different set of fabric options. Large sofa, twin hassocks, pull-out table. Nice TV there at the back on the easy lift, the electrical lift. Bose, DVD player above. When you opt for this freestanding table and chairs, one of the things we get is storage. Now, I don't know if we can see well, but look at the beauty of these hands, of the poles that they're using this year. Some of the nicest looking poles I've seen. As we go back through the kitchen, large dual sinks. Beautiful kitchen sprayer. Microwave. A true induction cooktop. One of the things that Newmar does is they make this so it's removable. You can take it outside and plug it in outside. It runs off 120 volt, but you can use it inside or outside very easily. One of the customers I was talking to the other day said that's one of her favorite things to do is take that outside. Look at the nice depth of this drawer. They're maximizing the storage. Our emergency access door in our bathroom here. Well done shower, great colors. Triple door refrigerator with travel lock. Pantry. I don't know if you can see, but these shelves are all adjustable. You can take them out and set them for different heights. I think we all have different uses to things. And right here, we'll have to play with that. Oh, that's a travel lock for this door. So when you lock it, you cannot open the door without unlocking it. So you don't have to worry about your pantry door coming open. Here we have a king bed. On the side there, we have the receptacle with the built-in USBs. Wardrobe across the back. One of the things Newmar pays very great attention to is, like right here, this little latch. That just keeps your ward doors from moving around in transit. Don't have to worry about them breaking. Large hanging storage along with a safe in the back. This area is for storage, but it can also be used for the optional washer dryer, which we can easily add at the time of delivery for you if that's what you would like to have. As we circle around the bedroom, TV in the corner. Again, I mean, look at the detail of the new wood for 2020. Beautiful handles, colors. The other thing we have added this year is these new ceiling ACs. So the design on them is very elegant, a little more modern, kind of showing more of a modern touch in this coach. This coach also has central vac along with the hose. So this toe kick, all you have to do is sweep your trash close and sweep it in. So I hope you've enjoyed this trip around this 2020 Ventana. Great coach. They've really done a wonderful job with their new colors and new designs. Come take a look, and better yet, make sure we take a test drive. Remember, this is a Newmar, so it has the comfort drive. You know, makes it easy to drive, whether it's in windy, curvy, flat, or wherever you're going. So come enjoy. Thank you.